when you turn up to vote. It began in England, Scotland and Wales under this man, the former Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Here he was encouraging people to turn out today. And this morning, he rolled up at his local polling station in Oxfordshire. And he was turned away because, yes, he'd forgotten his ID. He later returned with the right ID. His spokesman told the BBC Mr Johnson voted Conservative. Well, eventually. Clive.
All right, OK. Chris Mason there, political editor.
This is the Wartime Broadcasting Service. This country has been attacked with nuclear weapons. Communications have been severely disrupted, and the number of casualties and the extent of the damage are not yet known.